Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to install Android apps from your PC. First, you have to go to the search icon and then kindly type BlueStack. Click open. Now what you're going to do here is to simply wait as it is processing. So once done, all you have to do is simply look for Google Play Store, tap this one here. So if you encounter a situation like this, like error or you cannot log in, all you have to do is just simply type it again and again, try it again and again until you will see this one. So what you're going to do is to search for the specific application that you want to install on your device. Make sure that you're using the same Google account here and your mobile device. So if you are logged into other account here, you need to sign in that same account that you're using on your mobile device. Okay, and then search for that application here. Now, once done, you can just simply go to your mobile and check if this application has been installed. Now, if you want to switch account, you just have to tap that profile there and then switch account. Okay, now you can go back to your Google Play Store and install more application if you want. And that's how easy it is to install Android apps from your PC. You can now check your mobile to see if these applications are working. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.